Ever felt that rush of excitement when you help someone understand something new? Or that moment when you realize teaching is just as powerful as learning? Well, that's what today's all about, the joy of sharing knowledge. Whether it's a tiny tip or a big breakthrough, passing on what you know is a game changer for both you and the people around you. So stick with me as we dive into the magic of teaching and how you can start sharing your wisdom today. First, let's talk about why sharing knowledge matters so much. In both personal and professional settings, knowledge is power. But when you share what you know, you're not just empowering others, you're growing yourself too. Think about it. When you teach, you reinforce your own learning. Sharing your expertise allows you to look at things from a new perspective, solidify your understanding, and build your confidence. Plus, it builds connections with others who value your experience and insights. Super 3 reasons sharing knowledge is powerful. Reinforces your own learning, builds stronger connections, fosters personal growth. Now, you might think that sharing knowledge has to be some big planned-out event, but in reality, we do it unconsciously all the time. Here are some simple examples where we naturally share knowledge without even realizing it. When someone asks how to get to a store or a friend's house, you instantly share what you know. No big deal, right? But you're teaching them something valuable without even thinking about it. You've cooked something amazing and a friend asks for the recipe. You just tell them the ingredients and steps without any effort. You're teaching them a new skill, even though it feels like a casual chat. You love a song or a book and casually tell a friend about it. In sharing your experience, you're giving them something new to explore. Again, without trying to teach, but you are. So how can you start sharing knowledge today? Here are 3 ways you can begin to teach and empower others with what you know. Instead of just reading boring texts, use videos, online courses, and AI tools to make learning faster, easier, and more engaging. Leverage knowledge bases, learning management systems, videos, AI chatbots, and micro-learning to make information easily accessible and engaging. Join discussions, mentorship programs, or online communities to exchange ideas and gain different perspectives. It's way more effective than learning alone. Encourage social and peer learning by fostering mentorship communities of practice discussion forums and gamification to promote collaborative knowledge sharing. Review information regularly, use spaced repetition, and apply what you learn. Getting feedback and adjusting helps you stay sharp and ahead of the game. Now that you're feeling inspired, let's get into some easy, actionable steps you can start today to share what you know. Start small by teaching someone close to you. Share something you've recently learned, whether it's a fun fact, a skill, or a piece of advice. Teaching someone you trust is a great way to build confidence and get immediate feedback. Use your platform, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, to share a tip or insight. Even a short post or video can make a difference, and it encourages engagement from others who may want to learn from you. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes a day to learn something new, then share it. Whether through journaling, creating a blog post, or recording a quick video, the act of consistently sharing what you learn keeps the momentum going. Now that you know why sharing knowledge is so powerful and how to get started, let me introduce you to 3 influential personalities who have dedicated their lives to helping others learn and grow. A Chilean social entrepreneur and STEM activist, Elisa Torres Durney, founded Girls in Quantum, an international network providing free access to quantum computing for girls and adolescents worldwide. Her dedication to STEM education has earned her recognition as one of the top 10 students globally in 2023. Marie Forleo is an entrepreneur, author, and educator who believes that everything is figure-outable. She shares business strategies, life lessons, and actionable advice to empower others to create meaningful lives. Her teaching style is engaging, empowering, and filled with wisdom. Tim Ferriss is a best-selling author and podcaster who shares his journey of learning new skills, optimizing performance, and breaking traditional boundaries. His podcast, The Tim Ferriss Show, is a treasure trove of knowledge from experts in various fields, helping others become their best selves. A little extra spark to the list. Here's one more game-changer name. Brené Brown is a researcher and storyteller who studies courage, vulnerability, and leadership. Her talks and books have inspired millions to embrace their imperfections, and she teaches us how to share our knowledge by being vulnerable and authentic. And that's a wrap on our journey through the power of knowledge sharing. Whether it's through teaching, posting on social media, or just helping someone out, every small step counts. So, which of these steps will you take first? Drop a comment and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an opportunity to learn and grow with us. Stay curious, keep sharing, and remember, your knowledge is your superpower.